Picture this, you're hosting a July 4th BBQ, but flies have officially taken over your potato salad. Stop hand swatting. The best defense isn't toxic bug sprays. It's a few cheap, pop-up mesh food covers. For everyday plates and serving bowls, the Simply Genius 17-inch food tents are an absolute lifesaver. They pop open like a micro umbrella in 1 second and let your warm food breathe. But if you're dealing with stubborn crawling ants and wasps, you need a tight bottom seal. That's where the SPANLA mesh covers come in, featuring an extra wide lace skirt that drapes completely flat. And what about that massive Texas-style smoked brisket or a 3-foot ribs platter? You'll want the jumbo ZMCINER food tents, which span a massive 40 inches to guard your biggest boards. But how do you protect the active serving line where people are constantly lifting covers? Place a couple of Treva bug fans next to your open salad bowls and burger toppings. The silent holographic spinning blades create light patterns that flies absolutely hate. A single fly can carry thousands of pathogens, making food safety a top priority this summer. Check our full guide in the description below to build your ultimate bug-free BBQ station.